Unlock the full potential of the SYSPRO picking program with marshalling.
This tutorial will include the following: marshalling configuration, configuring a warehouse for marshalling, marshalling a pick, and lastly, marshalling query.
Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to take a look at marshalling in the picking SYSPRO program. So let's get started.
So we're going to start by going to setup, then we're going to go to setup options. Okay, I'm just going to make this bigger. Okay, there we go. So the question is, how did we get here? So we're going to take it step by step. So you're going to start here on configurations, and you're going to then click on distribution. Then you're going to click on inventory. And this is what will pop up on the screen. And we're going to go to marshalling, and we're going to make sure that this box is ticked. Then we're going to save and exit. Going to say okay. Remember, the changes that you'll make in your setup options will only be effective if you log out of SYSPRO and log back in. And that is how you would configure for marshalling. So we're going to start by going to setup, and we're going to go to setup options. Okay, so we're going to make the screen bigger. Okay, again, we're just going to show you how we got here. So you would go to configuration and you would click on distribution, then click on inventory. Okay, and we would click on this hyperlink, show warehouses. Okay, we're just going to make this a bit bigger. As you can see, marshalling is not one of the headings there. So we're going to click on the headings. We're going to right click and we're going to select on field chooser. Marshalling being one of the options, we're going to take it and drag it, and we're going to place it wherever we feel is suitable. Okay, and we're going to close this. As you can see, this specific warehouse is not configured for marshalling, so we're going to click on the briefcase and we're going to change. Okay, so we're going to make this bigger, and what we are now looking for is the marshalling option, which is right here under WMS control, right at the bottom. As you can see, it's no, so we're going to now configure it, and we're going to change it to yes. Then we're going to save, and we're going to close this program. Okay, and we're going to close this, and if we just open this one more time, as you can see, for the eastern warehouse, you can see that the marshalling has now changed from no to yes. So we're going to close that, and we're going to close this program. And that is how you configure a warehouse for marshalling.
I hope you're finding this video informative. Please be sure to subscribe and share this video. Now let's continue with the tutorial.
So we're going to go to sales orders, and we're going to go to picking. Okay, and we're going to go to transaction processing, and we're going to click on the pick maintenance program. Okay, we're just going to make this bigger. Here we're going to enter the pick number, and we're going to tap off. Okay, there the hyperlink says outstanding, so we're going to click on the hyperlink. Do you wish to start picking? We're going to say yes. So as you can see, the status has now changed to started. So what we're going to do is we're going to select this line item, and we're going to then click on the hyperlink that says started, and it's asking us, do you wish to change the pick status? So it's either you can stop with the picking or you can send to pick confirmation. So that's what we're going to do. As you can see, again, the status has changed to confirming. So we're going to click on the hyperlink. Again, do you wish to change the pick status? And we're going to select confirm the pick. We're going to say OK. The pick confirmation window will then appear on the screen. So we're going to select the line item and we're going to click confirm. And as you can see, the status has now changed to marshalling. So we're going to click now on the hyperlink marshalling and we're going to now select marshal the pick. Okay. Just going to make this bigger. So we're going to select the line item here. As you can see, we can add to outer. So we're going to click that. So we're going to select this one right here, select, and there we have it. And we're now going to save, and we're going to say OK, and we're going to dispatch outers. And the dispatch packed outers window will pop up on the screen. We'll then select and click dispatch. Okay, and then we'll close the program. And as you can see, our pick status has changed from marshalling to picked. And our line item now is red, meaning that the items have been picked. So we're going to close the program, and that is how you marshal a pick. So we're going to start by going to sales orders, and then we're going to go to picking. Then we'll click on marshalling query. Okay, we're just going to make this bigger. So here on outer, we're going to enter our outer code. As you remember, it is 2. Then we're going to tap off. So this program will show you everything that has to do with the pick. So you'll see the pick number, you see the sales order, the customer, and you'll see the outer status is dispatched. Okay, and you'll see when it was dispatched as well as who created the marshalling pick. So then we'll close the program, and that's how you do a marshalling query.
We have reached the end of today's tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment which videos you'd like to see next. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Do connect with us on LinkedIn. The description is in the link below. Thank you for watching this video.